Protecting your rental property starts with good maintenance. At All County, we make maintenance simple, cost-effective, and completely hands-off for owners, whether you live locally, out of state, or are stationed somewhere else. When a tenant submits a maintenance request through our online portal, everything is documented for clear communication and fast response times. Our team reviews the request, notifies you, and coordinates with a trusted vendor to inspect the issue. We focus on controlling costs and avoiding unnecessary repairs whenever possible. If owner approval is needed, we send you the details and repair estimate first. Once approved, we handle everything from start to finish, so you don't have to worry. For emergencies like frozen pipes or urgent repairs, tenants can use our emergency line 24/7. We dispatch vendors immediately to help minimize damage and protect your investment, while keeping you informed every step of the way. With a proactive approach to property maintenance and repairs, you can have peace of mind knowing your rental property is in good hands, no matter where you are.